In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can know when someone half-swipes into your chat on Snapchat. Seeing when someone half-swipes on Snapchat provides insights into their interest and engagement, helping manage conversations effectively. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat page, tap onto your profile icon. On your profile page, you will have to tap right here. You will then have to scroll down to the very end. You will then have to select on this option of see when a friend half-swipes into your chat. Make sure to enable this feature on. When turned on and someone half-swipes into your chat, you will get notified. This feature is only available for Snapchat Plus users only. To access this feature, make sure to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. That's how easy it is to see who has half-swiped into your chat on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.